My name is Lady Angel. I'm 50 years old, 50, and I'm from Paris in France. I do beatboxing since I'm 7, so that's very young. But seriously, I start 4 months ago with my teacher's Vent. And since I go to the champion of this year of French Beatboxing, I'm very impressed, and that's pretty my passion. So I love beatboxing. That's all.
Thank you.
So I can do a little thing if you want.
Yeah, yeah. It
Okay,
will be a pleasure.
okay. Here we go. Um, I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to be sad. It's not the moment, not anymore. I don't want to be sad. I don't wanna talk about it. I don't wanna talk about it. Oh, I don't wanna be better. It's not the moment, not anymore. I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about it. Yes.
Wow, that was amazing. There's a lot of musicality in there, and I really enjoyed it. I saw your not your first beats, but your beats like the since the French Championships, and I can see the progression. It's really insane, and your musicality. It was really really cool. So yeah, thank you for being there, and we're going back to your beatbox just right after, and but I
Yeah.
really enjoyed it. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Okay, who's gonna be next? We with you, okay? Okay, so I'll tell you in three, two, one, beatbox.
Okay. I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to be sad. It's not the moment, not anymore. I don't want to be sad.
Yeah.
I don't want to talk about this. I don't want to talk about this. Axel, woman power.
Yeah, here we go.
French beatbox woman power. French beatbox woman power. Power. French beatbox woman power.
That was amazing. I want so badly that Scott Jackson do this thing he was doing like. Oh, here you go. Go ahead. We're doing that now. That was amazing. So I could feel sometimes you were like more focused on your beatbox. Ah, here we go. We're going heavy. Okay, so now Scott Jackson will stay with us and do that. Okay, that's really cool. Cause hey, that that was really cool because you were able to like keep the eyes contact, and
Yeah.
even if sometimes you were like I could feel that it was hard, but it's something that, guys, you just train. Of course that I'm talking, but I've been doing that for 1 year or more, like focusing on that, doing three for 1 year was doing 3 songs per weekend in my showcases, and I was so tired of doing the same songs, but I was doing the same songs so that I could work on this showmanship. And today I'm not even half of my path. So it takes time, but you could see the difference between, and I think I'm not the only one thinking that. Tell me on the chat, people. She was like really different from the first routine you did and this one. You were able actually to get flexible at the same time and being like just uh, take the words of a scene, put in your beatbox, and your energy just went higher, and you were like really sharing your ambition. That was
Yeah.
the word. You were sharing your own ambition. We're like, yeah, fuck yeah, I'm doing that, and you're here to hear it. You were confident,
Yeah.
so you were able to share that, and I could feel it, and I think we could all feel that. So congrats to you. Just keep working on
Thanks.
these eye contacts. It was really better, and I want to hear the other ones.
Yeah.